Welcome to News Acharya. I am Bhuvan Anil, currently pursuing my aeronautical engineering at Acharya Institute of Technology. Here at Acharya, in collaboration with the Congolese Community of Bangalore, we hosted the AAFCON 2025, the Asia-Africa Football Cup of Nations 2025, bringing across 14 countries from the Asian and African continents, celebrating sport and triumph, but more importantly, the culture, university and diversity, and bringing across festivities and thrilling matches. Acharya's Freshers Week 2025 kicked off on the 22nd of September and concluded on the 26th, bringing together art, music, debates, open challenges and workshops, and more importantly, the cultural showcases, engaging the freshers in an amazing, spirited celebration of creativity and camaraderie. Acharya hosted the International Nursing Conference 2025, Shaping the Future of Healthcare 5.0, bringing together nursing researchers, educators, and industry experts convening for keynote talks, poster sessions, and interdisciplinary dialogue to advance the future of healthcare. Ekatra 2025 unites campus talent and spirit. Ekatra 2025, Acharya's NRV School of Architecture's Intercollege Sports and Cultural Fest, brought across students from various institutions celebrating athletics, teamwork, youthful energy, and artistic flair. Ronak secures second in Thailand. Acharya's proud racing driver Ronak secured second place at the Supercar Championship in Thailand 2025, the IAME Series Super Rookie class at the Birakart circuit. Competing in the second and third rounds, Ronak showcased exemplary pace, level-headedness, and consistency, marking this as another milestone in his motorsport journey. The Fashion Makeover workshop held at Acharya brought the students face-to-face with expert stylist Ramya R. Kumar, giving them a hands-on in wardrobe styling, color theory, grooming, and self-presentation. For more updates on education, innovation, and all things Acharya, stay tuned to News Acharya.